Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you how I created this special t-shirt design using Adobe Illustrator. From setting up the document to creating the final design that you see on this t-shirt. Let's get started. Select the text tool from the toolbar. Choose a bold, impactful font. Click on the canvas and type 45. Adjust the size of 45 to be quite large, making it the focal point of the design. Select the text 45, adjust at the right position, and select Builder tool and cut the wrong sides. To the left of the 45, type gone. Above the 45, type the word years in a smaller size. At the bottom of the design, type "We are still together" in a smaller size to balance the composition. Use the Line Segment tool to add horizontal lines to enhance the design. Position a horizontal line under the text "Gone." Use the Line Segment tool to add vertical lines to enhance the design. Position a vertical line to the right of 45. Adjust the thickness of the lines to match the weight of the text. Ensure all elements are properly aligned. Select the text 45 and change its color to a bold red to make it stand out. Once you are happy with the design, save your design. Open Photoshop, take a t-shirt mock-up, and blend this design on t-shirt.